Goodness comes in evil goes. Kimungo.
Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth. Karibu, welcome. My name is Kwende, and today we're going to get into another important subject, and that subject is Kwanzaa is a firm part of African cultural preservation. One of the primary functions of life in a very basic sense is self-preservation, preservation of one's being. And as culture is so important and foundational in African life, energizing life to flourish is something that ought to be secured, ought to be safeguarded, ought to be preserved. And given all the interruptions and disruptions that African souls have faced, certainly in recent centuries with the Ma'afa, it is of vital importance that the cultural observance of Kwanzaa, with the all year round values that is at its core, known as the Nguzo Saba, and all of the wonderful, deeply meaningful symbols that are part of the celebration, are worthy of cultural preservation, because Kwanzaa is a definite part of African culture, and so is definitely in the realms of necessary cultural preservation, in order that this important time of year can continue to service African souls in fullest flourishing. As we have a natural dictate to preserve African life, it is only right and proper that the culture that comes with that life, that is part of that life, that services that life, is also preserved, is also secured, is also safeguarded. So with that food for thought, and surely it is food for thought, Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth.
Kwanzaa is for real. We've got to live our own greatness, reveal what we want. Kwanzaa value seal. We've got to be our own nations, yield what we want.